Hello, Shalom, and welcome to How to Pronounce and Say in Hebrew. And in this lesson of Word of the Day, Milat Hayom, how do we say French, the language, in Hebrew? So in Hebrew, French is Tzarfatit, 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 Tzarfatit. Parlez-vous français? Oui, je parle français. כן, אני מדברת צרפתית. I'm a woman, so מדברת. אני מדברת צרפתית. And if I were a man, I would have said, כן, אני מדבר צרפתית. Let's try to say it in a manly voice. כן, אני מדבר צרפתית. אני מדבר צרפתית. But I'm a woman. כן, אני מדברת צרפתית. And Oscar. Yay! Okay, so I will not get an Oscar award for this. Never mind. As usual, you will find links to selected lessons in the description box below. Hebrew alphabet, Niqqud, derived stems, pronouns, and more. And until next time, להתראות בקרוב. See you soon.